In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload fonts to Adobe. If you have multiple Adobe apps and want to install a new font that works across all of them, you can easily do so. Once you install a font on your system, it will automatically become available in all Adobe applications. First, open any Adobe app. For this example, I have opened Adobe Acrobat. If I select some text and search for a specific font in the font family section, such as Rocket, you can see that it is not available. To install the font, open any browser on your system and search for Dafont. Dafont is one of the most popular and reliable websites for downloading fonts, offering a wide variety of fonts for free. Once you search for Dafont, click on the first link that appears in the search results. This will take you to the Dafont homepage. On the right side of the screen, you will see a search box. Type in the name of the font you want to download and press Enter. The website will display the font if it's available. Next to the font, you will see a Download button. Click on this button to download the font to your computer. Once the font file is downloaded, open the Downloads folder on your PC. You will see a zip file containing the font. Right-click on the zip file and select Extract Here from the context menu. After extraction, you will see the font. Double-click on the font file and a preview window will open. Click on the Install button and wait for the installation to complete. After the font is installed, you need to restart your Adobe app to make sure the font appears in the font list. Now select the text again and go to the font family section. Type in the name of the font you just installed. As you can see, the font is now available. If you select the font, it will be applied to your text immediately. The newly installed font will now be available across all Adobe apps, including Illustrator, Photoshop, and InDesign. To view all installed fonts on your system, open the Windows search box and type Control Panel. Open the Control Panel and navigate to Appearance and Personalization. Then, click on Fonts. This will display a list of all the fonts installed on your device. You can search for any font using the search box in the upper right-hand side of the window. If you want to delete a font, right-click on it and select Delete from the menu. And this is how you can upload fonts to Adobe.